Consistent and diligent maintenance can make the carpets in your facility last longer, saving you money. With State F-323 Carpet Extraction Cleaner, you can not only care for your carpet, but protect the equipment used from harsh cleaning formulations. F-323 Carpet Extraction Cleaner contains a powerful blend of detergents and solvents designed to quickly penetrate and remove tough carpet soils. It contains a soil retardant and optical brighteners. Carpet Extraction Cleaner can be used with hot water extraction equipment for a variety of carpet conditions. The controlled foaming formulation keeps extraction machines running longer. It can also be diluted and applied as a pre-spray prior to cleaning. For proper dilution into carpet extractors or spray bottles, Carpet Extraction Cleaner can be dispensed through a State One Solution chemical dilution system. Carpet Extraction Cleaner's pleasant morning fresh fragrance leaves areas smelling clean and fresh. It also contains SE500 odor neutralizing additive, which eliminates odors at their source rather than just masking them. Care for your carpet with State F-323 Carpet Extraction Cleaner, another great product from State Industrial Products, caring for work environments since 1911.